supercharge our domestic industrial base.
Last April, President Trump unveiled his global tariffs plan, so-called Liberation Day. China retaliated to devastating effect, choking off rare earths to the U.S. Ford Motors, for one, suddenly without magnets, had to temporarily stop making Explorer SUVs. After a series of trade truces between the U.S. and China, the rare earth spigot came back on. Litinsky says few realize how close we were to economic catastrophe.
There were major manufacturers that didn't even realize the extent of the rare earth magnets that they had in their supply chain. We were seeing the economy on the verge of shutdown.
With markets reeling, senior Trump administration officials summoned Litinsky and Rosenthal to Washington.
We got called into the Pentagon, and it was clear that there was a directive from the president to solve this problem as quickly as possible.
What did the government want from you?
The Pentagon wanted a Manhattan-style project to accelerate the entire supply chain of rare earth magnetics in the country.
That's the analogy.
Those exact words were used, Manhattan Project or Operation Warp Speed. We've got to work to scale up everything that you're doing as quickly as we possibly can.
A Manhattan Project for rare earths resulted in an unusual deal. The Pentagon agreed to inject $400 million into MP Materials and took a 15% ownership stake. So we Americans are all in the rare earth business now. Plus, critically, the deal came with a guaranteed 10-year price floor for rare earths. So even if China tries to flood the market again, driving down prices, MP is covered.
Has there ever been anything like this?
Well, exactly like this, maybe not. But if you look back, whether it was the railroads or aluminum for aviation prior to World War II or the semiconductor industry, there's actually a long tradition of really critical industries where our country needs to bring online infrastructure. And I think this is one of those industries.
And the government had one more stipulation for MP: ramp up rare earth magnet production tenfold. To do so, MP is building an even bigger rare earth magnet factory, also in Texas, that, it says, could produce enough to meet the country's needs. It's expected to be complete in 2028.